Hey guys, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm going to talking about the two Samsung Galaxy devices. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and stay updated with the latest tech videos. Okay, so Samsung has just announced the two new smartphones in its home market, South Korea. The models are Galaxy Gen 2 and Galaxy Y4 and are basically rebranded Galaxy A20 and Galaxy A20e. The Samsung Galaxy Gen 2 bears semblance with the Galaxy A20, comes with a small 5.8-inch TFT screen with a water drop notch and weight of 141 grams. The device is powered by an Exynos 7084 chipset paired with 3GB of RAM, while there is a 32GB of storage. It packs a dual camera setup at the rear comprising a 13MP primary camera and a 5MP wide-angle lens. The device carries a price tag of $170. On the other hand, the Galaxy Y4 packs a bigger 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen. It has the same specs as the Galaxy A20. Apart from a bigger display, larger battery, most of the specs are almost similar with those of the Galaxy Gen 2. So what are you thinking about these devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also subscribe to my channel for the daily content like this. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.